Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about chapter algebraic expression. So before starting the chapter, first we will discuss about few terms. And the first term is variable. What is variable? So variable is a letter or symbol used to represent a value. Variable is a letter or symbol used to represent a value that can change. Means the value of variable can change. See what is the meaning of change? See, we will discuss about one example, and here you can check variables are A, B, C, X, Y, Z, P, Q, R. They all are the examples of variables. Now, we will check by one example. X plus 2 is the example of one expression, algebraic expression. Now here you can check X. X is a variable. Why variable? Because X is a letter. Okay. Now when we put the value of x 1 means on the place of x now we will put 1. See 1 plus 2 equal 3. Okay. Again we are going to change the value of x. On the place of x 4. See 4 plus 2 6. Here the result is 3 and here 6. And reason is when we put value of x1 the result is 3 and when we put the value of x4 then result 6. So value is changing, then result also changing. That's why variable, variable, vary means changeable. Okay. So this is the example. I think it is clear. Next, constant. See what is constant? Constant is a value that does not change. Meaning that is constant has a fixed value. Okay. Now fixed value means, for example, 1, 7, 5, 1 upon 2, they all are having fixed value. For example, here you can check x plus 2. So here this is variable x, but 2 is the constant. Okay. Now next topic is the name of the chapter, algebraic expression. What is an algebraic expression? So it is a combination of variables and constants. Algebraic expression is a combination of variable and constant connected by mathematical operators. Mathematical operators, that is plus, minus, multiply or divide. Okay. Now examples of algebraic expressions are 3x plus 2y. Here you can check this is a variable containing variable term plus mathematical operation, again one term. So this is an example of algebraic expression. Here this is also an example of algebraic expression, and 7x to the power 5 is also an example of algebraic expression. Okay. Now what is terms? Terms are separated by only plus or minus sign. Remember it. Terms are separated by plus or minus sign. See, first examples are these. 7x square plus 8x minus 9. So now we will count how many terms are there. See 7x is square. Okay. Now plus sign, then second term is started. See first term, second term, now minus sign, then third term. So total 3 terms. Okay. Another example, 8x square plus 2y multiply 6x. Okay. So this is the first term, 8x square. 2y is the second term and 6x is third term. It is correct or incorrect? It is incorrect because this is only first term and this complete is the second term. Why? Because multiply or divide sign is not considered in the term. So this is the first term, 8x square, and plus 2y multiply 6x is the second term, and reason is this. When we solve, then it will become like this, 8x square plus 2 6 are 12 x by. That's why this is only one term. So how many terms are there in this algebraic expression? 1 and 2. Only 2 terms, remember. 2 terms. Okay. Types of algebraic expressions. So here few types are there. First, monomial. Monomial is a type of algebraic expression in which having only one like term. one like term. Example 2y square comma 7x plus 2x. Now here one confusion is there. 7x plus 2x. So how many terms? It looking like two terms, but it is monomial. Why? Because on solving it becomes 7 and 2 9x. That's why this is a polynomial. This is monomial. So remember, monomial is an algebraic expression having one like term. Now binomial having two like terms. Example 7x plus 3y. Here you can't add it. Why? Because 7 and 3 10xy. This is wrong. This is wrong. We can't add it because they both are unlike. That's why they are having two terms, 7x and 3y. Okay. Next, trinomial. Trinomial having three terms. 1, 2, 3. You can check. Now quadrinomial having four terms. See, 7x plus 2y minus 2z plus 7. Four terms are there. And one more thing, they all are polynomial. Monomial, binomial, trinomial, quadrinomial, they all are polynomial. Okay. Next topic, polynomial. What is polynomial? An algebraic expression with positive power. Okay, remember it. An algebraic expression with positive power means monomial, binomial, trinomial, quadrinomial, they all are polynomial. See here one example, 7x square. It is a polynomial or not? Yes, it is a polynomial. Why? Because it is an algebraic expression as well as power is positive and monomial. Okay. Next, second one, 8x plus 2y, polynomial or not? Yes, it is a polynomial. Two terms and power positive. If no power is here, then one power is there. Okay. Next, third, minus 9yzx. It is a polynomial or not? Yes, because power is positive. If nothing is here, then 1 will be there. So yes, it is a polynomial. Next, minus 8 plus 7x. It is a polynomial or not? Yes, it is a polynomial. Next, 7x to the power minus 2. It is a polynomial or not? See, an algebraic expression with positive power. Here power is negative. That's why this is not a polynomial. Okay. Reason? Because if negative power, then the reciprocal of this number. That's why this is not a polynomial. Okay. Next, 8x plus 2y to the power minus 5. It is a polynomial or not? See here, positive powers, because no power is there, then 1. But here negative power. That's why this is not a polynomial. I think it is very clear. Okay.